Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Kia Forte heater not working and possible causes and solutions. A heater not working properly means the cabin does not warm as expected, reducing comfort during cold weather. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year or mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Low coolant levels in the engine cooling system are a verified cause of heater failure. If the coolant is low due to leaks or improper maintenance, the heater core may not receive sufficient hot fluid to produce warm air. Air trapped in the cooling system can prevent proper circulation and reduce heating effectiveness. A clogged or leaking heater core can restrict flow and prevent heat transfer, leading to cold air from the vents. Faulty heater control valves that regulate coolant flow to the heater core may also contribute to lack of cabin heat. Malfunctioning blend door actuators or HVAC controls can prevent warm air from being directed into the cabin even if the heater core is functioning correctly. Thermostat failure or stuck-open thermostat may reduce engine operating temperature, decreasing the amount of heat available for the cabin. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year or mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Solutions begin with checking engine coolant level and topping it to manufacturer specifications. Flushing and bleeding the cooling system can remove trapped air and restore proper circulation. Replacing a faulty heater core, heater control valve, or blend door actuator may be necessary if components are damaged or malfunctioning. Ensuring the thermostat is functioning correctly and the engine reaches proper operating temperature supports heater performance. Professional inspection is recommended for accurate diagnosis and safe resolution of heater issues. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.